Welcome to POXA, where you can search the top UK salvage auctions like Copart, Synetiq, Salvage Market, plus 15 more from one easy-to-use website. At POXA, experience the thrill of bidding on top-quality salvage vehicles, where cars sell for up to 40% off retail value. In today's demonstration, we'll guide you through the user-friendly features of our platform, designed to save you time and uncover hidden deals. To begin, go to www.poxa.co.uk and click on the Search Salvage Vehicles button. Hit the Sign Up button and your 7-day trial will kick off. Provide some basic information, your full name, a valid email, and create a strong password. Then, enter your payment details and hit Subscribe Now. Once you're done, you'll land on our listings page. Here, you can effortlessly search for salvage vehicles. We've also got convenient filter options, allowing you to refine your search according to your specific requirements. To reset all filters, just hit Reset. Take advantage of our sorting options to find exactly what you're looking for. Found your dream car? Simply hit the Bid Now button. You'll be seamlessly redirected to the relevant auction website where you can place your bid directly. This was a demonstration of how you can navigate on POXA. Feel free to contact us at oli@poxa.co.uk if you have any questions.